Hi, I'm Garrett Smith, Chief Marketing Officer at Voip Supply. Voip Supply is one of North America's leading supplier of voice over IP equipment and complete solutions. We represent 90 different manufacturers and about 6,500 products. We kind of match that with a suite of value-added services that includes technical support, nationwide installations, product buyback programs, refurbished and reconditioned equipment, as well as service provider fulfillment services. We're located in Buffalo, New York. We have 20,000 square feet, and we've been a partner of Audiocodes for a little over 8 years now. Well, Voip Supply's primary target is the small-medium business. We reach the SMB through our retail storefront, voipsupply.com, and then also through our service provider, retail, integrator, and business consultant channels. One of the things that we realize with small-medium businesses is most of them are very localized in that they don't do a ton of long-distance calling or international calling, and as such, being able to connect to the PSTN is critical because often there is no cost benefit to switching to voice over IP for their voice service, but there is benefits to having their IPPBX on the LAN. Audiocodes and their Media Pack series makes it very easy for a small-medium business to connect their IPPBX to the PSTN and self-manage, which I think is a big thing. A lot of people think that Audiocodes gateways are extremely complex, and they can do a lot of things and they can be very complex, but if you just want them to be quick, simple, and easy, they can be. We carry the full suite of Audiocodes products, so everything from the Media Pack series, the FXS and FXO gateways, all the way up to the Mediant series, where you get into your T1 and multiple T1s if you're a larger organization. For the most part, our focus and specialty is in the lower end Media Pack series because, again, targeting the small-medium business, that's where we see most of the action and flow. But we do have the expertise and the knowledge, and obviously with the help of Audiocodes, to help those who want to scale or have a larger scale organization that needs something a little bit more beefier on the back end. The typical customer for ours is usually a company that's about 25 to 75 users or seats or employees. They typically are relatively tech savvy or adventurous in that they're DIY or can do it with a little bit of help. So these customers typically find us online or through a referral or through one of our key business partners, and they come in and they're pretty knowledgeable. They understand kind of how the parts and pieces fit in, but they need that kind of warm fuzzy, and they want to talk to somebody on the other end of the phone who can put them at ease about their deployment. So typically they kind of come in, they have a general sense of what they need or what they want to accomplish. We go through a consultative sales process with them, and during that process we identify that whether those needs that they think they have are actually needs or just wants or nice to haves, and really kind of going from there, what we do is we show them, right, how it all fits together. If they need installation service, we provide that. Configuration service. A lot of times customers say, hey, you know what, I just want this to be plug and play, here's what I need. So what we'll do is after that consultative process, we'll go into the back, we have a configuration center. We'll configure that solution to their exact specifications. We'll send it to them via FedEx as fast as we can. And we can also, they can self-install it, or we can have one of our field technicians go and install it for them. Number one reason that people choose Voip Supply: quick and easy access to expertise. We've been in business since 2002, so as a result we've got 9 years of industry expertise. We've sold during that time well over $200 million worth of voice over IP equipment to well over 100,000 different customers. So for the most part, there isn't a scenario or a customer type that we haven't touched. As a result, we are very wide, but we are also very deep when it comes to our experience and expertise with Audiocodes and other parts of the Audiocodes ecosystem that are necessary for a complete solution. On top of that, service and support. We don't want to talk to you before the sale and during the sale. We want to talk to you after the sale as well. So when you buy from Voip Supply, know that after you get your gateway, if you're having trouble with it, we're going to work with you to make sure that we can fix that issue, or get you something else maybe because it wasn't exactly the best fit for your current need. Lastly, accessibility. Kind of talking to the first point that I made is, you can call us. We don't hide behind email. We have an 800 number. We've got a fully trained sales and support staff that are just ready and willing to help you out. So really, when it kind of comes down to VoIP Supply, I think you get quick, easy access to expertise, and at the end of the day, we have everything that you need for VoIP, and we make it, I think, a pleasurable experience to make the switch over to Voice over IP.